Hello there and welcome to our channel. So in my first Mi Band 7 video, I said that this band may launch anytime between March and June. Well, it's already May and we are now hearing that Mi Band 7 has entered production. Some are even mentioning May 10th as a possible launch date. Most recently, Mukul Sharma from Stuff Listings mentioned that the device has entered serial production in Europe and Asia. He did not specify a month or a precise date, but if we were to guess, I would say the month of June seems like a right time, especially since previous Mi Band devices were released in June, but we cannot rule out May entirely from the equation. As for the name and model, Blogger discovered the name as Xiaomi Mi Smartband 7 along with device model numbers M2129B1 and M2130B1. Yes, two different model numbers. That could mean two new sizes are inbound, perhaps with a Mi Band 7 Pro version that's closer to devices such as Huawei Band 6. The reason why I think that is because there are some leaks that say the Xiaomi Band 7 will be less and less of a band and more of a smartwatch, while other leaks show the UI and resolution which looks more like a wider Mi Band 6. Anyways, we only know about Mi Band 7 and not the other variant, so let's talk about that. First off, the screen. Courtesy of Logger, we know the display resolution which is 192 by 490 pixels, which would be an upgrade on the 152 by 486 pixel resolution that the Mi Band 6 packs. This means it's both wider and a bit taller. There may also be AMOLED panel along with always-on display functionality. When it comes to watch faces, it will get animated and static watch faces along with the black and white watch faces that will be offered when the screen is in the always-on mode. Besides that, the new band will be packing a 250 mAh capacity battery, which is exactly double that of its younger brother. The reason for that big battery could be a larger display with an always-on option and built-in GPS, maybe, or it could be reserved for Pro variant. In any case, that would be a big feature for Mi Band 7 as far as becoming a better tracker for monitoring outdoor exercise time. To further extend the battery life, it seems Xiaomi will include a series of battery modes to make sure you get the most time out of Mi Band 7 in between charges. There will apparently be power saving, ultra power saving and a battery saver mode. The water resistance is also quite good at 5 atm on the current version, that means you can safely swim with it. Expect more of this on the next generation as well. As for sports modes, there will be plenty, you don't need to worry about that. It will also include basic features such as the step, distance, calories, stress, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, female health tracking activity and much more. Of course, the quality of stats should be improved as next device will come with the latest tech on offer and improved algorithms. As far as smart features are concerned, Alexa compatibility was widely expected for Band 6, but it didn't make the cut. Hopefully we get to see this for the newer model. Another feature that is reserved for the local market are payments on the go. NFC on Mi Bands exist, but only on the Chinese iteration. It's high time Xiaomi brings this across the border. We can expect a smart alarm and smart wake up features to make its way to Band 7. The function wakes you up when you are in a light stage of sleep within a 30-minute window before the set alarm. It simulates natural wake up, which should hopefully have you up feeling refreshed as you have not been woken up from deep sleep. It seems Xiaomi will also add a passcode feature to better protect your band from others getting into use and view your stats and data. Well, that is all for this video. If you enjoyed watching it, then subscribe. Thank you for watching and as always, catch you in the next one.